Hello everyone, this is Mengqian. So today I'm going to talk about the question 1 for homework 6. So the first question is fxy equals to 1 plus xy over a, and absolute x is less than 1, absolute y is less than 1, and for otherwise they are 0. X and y has a joint density function. So the first question is find a so that the above density defined as a valid joint density function. So we first calculate the integral of y and integral of x for xy dx dy. So this is equals to 1. So we calculate for this function, and we get the answer for the integral from -1 to 1, 4 over a dy is 1, so a equals to 4. And for the second question, are x and y uncorrelated and are they independent? So the second question and the third question can be answered together. So we first calculate the exy. For exy equals to integral of y and times integral of xy times 1 plus xy over 4. For a equals to 4 and times dx and dy. And after we calculate this, we know that ex times y equals to 1 over 9. However, for ex, we calculate the integral for 1 from -1 to 1 and times integral from negative to 1 and times x times 1 plus xy times 4. And this equals to 0, so we know that they are uncorrelated. So from the answer of 2, as they are uncorrelated, they are also not independent. And then we take a look at question 4. For z equals to x squared, set w equals to y squared. When 0 less than z and w less than 1, j equals to 4xy. So ji equals to 4 square root of z times square root of w. So we set them into 4 parts, and z equals to 1 over 4 z square root and w square root. So we can know that zw equals to 1 over 4 square root of z times w when z is less than 0 and w is less than 1, and for 0 otherwise. And the last question is prove or disprove that x squared and y squared are independent. So we find fzz equals to integral of from 0 to 1 times 1 over 4 square root of z times w equals to d equals times 2 d w equals to 1 over 2 1 over z square root of z. So we can know that fzw equals to fzz times fww, so it is independent.